This girl didn't know how to mew 5 years ago. But that's okay. Mewing is hard. Don't give me that look. Show them how you actually tried doing it. Show them. Yeah. No, that's not right. Okay? That's not right. But you have gotten better, girl. You have gotten better because you actually started doing it correctly. Yeah, you fixed it. So let's get into how to mew properly. Loosen up. Take a deep breath. If the top hand is the roof of my mouth, the tongue needs to rest like the bottom hand. So you're going to swallow, right? Okay, and the way your tongue rests at the roof of your mouth is how you're going to hold it. Perfect, exactly like that. We're gonna hold the mewing position for a minute. I know. Bear with me, let's do it together. You will feel a suction sensation when you're doing this. You want to breathe through your nose, not your mouth. And it is difficult, but you will get the hang of it. I promise you. Mewing is all about proper tongue posture. It keeps your tongue pressed against the roof of your mouth, the whole tongue, not just the tip, while your lips are closed and your teeth are gently touching. Sounds simple, but it can be very, very difficult when you're starting out. And the reason why mewing is so important is because it can help improve breathing, posture, and even your jawline. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal. If you're following along, you are doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you are done. Next up, mewing push-ups. So instead of just holding our tongue there, we're going to move it up and down, the whole tongue. Now, this is challenging, but again, try to swallow, and the way your tongue rests is the way you're going to keep it. And this time, you're going to try to use your tongue to push the roof of your mouth up very slightly. And you want to do that for about a minute. Push up and then release. Push up and then release. Do you see how that's moving? Slightly moving that area. You are doing a great job. Make sure you're breathing through your nose. We are almost done, and oh my gosh, I was getting so sore here. You'll see in a second. Right there. But let's talk about things that you shouldn't be doing. Don't use just the tip of your tongue. Don't breathe through your mouth. You want to breathe through your nose because that's defeating the purpose if you breathe through your mouth. Don't bite down when you mew. That's causing stress. Maintain a straight posture. Don't do that. And you also want to drink water because dry mouth. We don't want that. Now I'm going to leave you with one self-love meditation. Take a deep breath in and feel it nourish your body. Exhale slowly, letting go of tension and doubt. This is your moment to come home to yourself. Close your eyes and imagine a calm, open space within you. It feels safe, steady, and warm. A place where you can simply be. No expectations, no need to prove anything. Just you. Picture yourself walking through life with kindness toward yourself, and forgive those moments you stumbled. They were part of your becoming. See yourself standing tall, not because life is perfect, because it rarely is, but because you trust yourself to handle whatever comes your way. Breathe in love and breathe out self-doubt. Feel your strength and your softness. You are your safe place. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Sending you love and light.